Ready to transform your life through web development? Let's dive into the essential steps to achieve success in this dynamic field. First, master the fundamentals. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are your building blocks. Explore online courses, tutorials, and practice consistently. Consistent practice is key to building a solid foundation. Next, choose your specialization, frontend, backend, or full stack. Focusing helps you become an expert and increases your market value. Identify your passion and strengths to guide your decision. Build a portfolio that showcases your skills and projects. Potential employers and clients want to see what you can do. Include diverse projects that demonstrate your abilities. Network with other developers online and offline. Attend meetups, join forums, and contribute to open-source projects. Building connections opens doors to opportunities. Embrace continuous learning. Web development is constantly evolving. Stay updated with new technologies and frameworks. Invest in your knowledge and skills. Contribute to open-source projects. This is a great way to build your skills, gain experience, and network with other developers. Collaborate and learn from experienced programmers. Learn to debug effectively. Debugging is an essential skill for any developer. Practice debugging techniques and use debugging tools to identify and fix errors. Consider freelancing or starting your own web development business. This allows you to be your own boss and set your own rates. Entrepreneurship offers flexibility and control. Stay persistent and don't give up. Web development can be challenging, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve success. Embrace the challenges and learn from your mistakes. Master version control using Git. Collaborate effectively and manage your code with confidence. Version control is crucial for team projects and code management. Develop strong problem-solving skills. Break down complex problems into smaller, manageable tasks. Practice algorithmic thinking to solve coding challenges. Prioritize clean, well-documented code. Make your code easy to understand and maintain for yourself and others. Write clear and concise comments. Focus on user experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design. Create intuitive and visually appealing websites and applications. User-centric design is essential for success.